I'm trying to see if anyone has a foolproof way of getting the silks off of corn as I shuck it with anger in my soul. I've been trying to figure out how I'm going to do this corn on the cob on the grill. I shucked it, or not shuck it, naked or in foil packs. I don't know what to do, so I'm about to make something up. What I am going to do is I've shucked it, cleaned it, got as much of that silk off as I could. I'm going to take each one, and again, I'm making this all up as I go, so I'll come back and tell y'all how it turns out. But I'm going to do them like in foil packs. This way they can be cooking and seasoning at the same time. Again, have no clue how this is going to turn out. I have some garlic butter that I'm going to use up. Maybe. There we go. I'm going to put in, I'm going to put in this grill pack some garlic butter. Everything that I would want on my elotes, except the cheese, which I'll do once I bring it out. So I'm going to put some butter. Again, it's totally made up. I'm not responsible for how it turns out. I'm going to do some slap your mama for some seasoning, some spice. Oof, I might not do them all with that. I don't know. I have 3, 7. I'm going to do 4 like this and 3 not like this. Some black pepper. I have some buttery steakhouse. Get a little more butter and some like robust kind of seasoning on there. And then I'm going to do some, I have cayenne pepper, but I also have this 6 pepper that's really good. So I'm going to try the 6 pepper. The other 3 I'll make more traditional, but since I'm making it up anyway, I'm going to do what I want to do. When you go to the corn cart at the store, they don't use all this dramatic stuff, but I am, so we'll see. And then I think that's it. I'm going to wrap it up real good like a foil pack. And I'm going to do all 4 like this and 4 more traditional seasoning. Put them on the grill and let them go. Just hit the temperature. Can you hear it? They straight doing something. They said 20 minutes. It's corn. I don't know why I should give it more than that. Right. So they're done. I did about 24 minutes, 25 minutes, and I ended up on the propane. I started with 2 on the charcoal, and it was taking too long, and the other ones was already sizzling and boiling, so I just transferred them both over. So all 7 were done on the propane in the packs. I don't know. It darkened. It definitely darkened the corn, like I did it right on the grill. But all my seasoning seems more brown than I would like. I don't know, it could taste good. I guess this is how it's gonna look if it's on the grill anyway. So that part is right. But let's see how the seasoning part turned out. Gotta let it cool off. All right, I'm about to dress it up. I'm going to add some lime pepper because, as you know, I love lime pepper, I think. Okay. I really don't like live butter, and you may wonder what in the world is live butter. Live butter is like butter out the refrigerator. I use it to cook, but I don't like spread butter on bread. So that's live butter. I don't do it. So I had some lime seasoning, and then I have this chipotle chili powder. Oh, it's brand new. All right, I opened it. So chipotle chili powder. One of the recipes I was looking at over the weekend said get that. And this might be where one would put some mayonnaise or crema. All right, I have some crema. a little on there. And then I have some tortilla. I also have some cilantro. I'm not about to do it. Let's see. Tastes like nothing. I don't know. Maybe I'll cut it off and put some more seasonings on it. I don't know.